Hey folks, my name's Chef Jean-Paul Bourgeois and welcome to Field to Flame. I'm with my friends from Masterbuilt in Kingsford and I got some easy grilling and smoking recipes to show y'all. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'm making one of my favorite desserts of all time, a smoked s'mores casserole. When you don't have a campfire, this is the way to do it. I have my grill set to 400 degrees and I'm fueled up with Kingsford original charcoal. Let me show you how to assemble this casserole. I like to use butter to grease all sides and the bottom of my casserole pan. Next, we're going to line the entire pan with graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. Now that our casserole is assembled, add your pan to the middle rack and smoke for 30 minutes or until those marshmallows are nice and toasted. Let's remove the pan from the smoker and let it rest for 10 to 20 minutes. Let's put this all together and get ready to serve. Okay, let's take a bite. Wow, that's sweet, smoky, charred flavor. That's flavor you can only get from the Gravity Series 1050 and Kingsford charcoal, even better than over the campfire. That's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. You can find this recipe and other Field to Flame dishes right here. Grab all your ingredients, your Gravity Series 1050, and your Kingsford charcoal.